Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Modern MD272QX Series business monitor. So friend, this 27-inch WQHD monitor offers a harmonious blend of style and functionality designed to seamlessly integrated into various workspace settings, and this series adds the touch of sophistication to your setup, and cutting-edge connectivity and productivity features enhance productivity through innovative features and productivity intelligent software skills. KVN function simplifies workflow by allowing you to share a single keyboard and mouse between the laptop and desktop PCs, and this feature streamlines workspace organization and minimizes clutter. Connectivity is effortless with Type-C 65-watt power delivery, enabling the connection of laptops, MacBooks, and smartphones through a single cable. And this approach keeps your workspace tidy, eliminating the need for multiple cards and adapters. And friend, eliminating visual excellence and user well-being series prototype both visual excellence and user well-being with display HDR 400 and IPS panel boasting a white color gamut. This monitor offers an exceptional viewing experience suitable for creative and media professionals. And friend, this series incorporates EyesErgo feature including Lace Blue Light Pro to reduce blue light while preserving vivid colors, and additionally it features anti-flicker technology to reduce eye strain, adjustable stand for ergonomic positioning, and with a certified 100 Hz refresh rate, screen flicker is effectively eliminated, reducing eye fatigue and enhancing overall comfort during extended workstations. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.